In this section, we'll discuss some key concepts related to web pages. Let's start by recalling how we usually access a website. This process is so simple that we do it every day without thinking, right? Let's just use Amazon's website as an example. First, you open a browser, then you type the domain name www.amazon.com and press enter. In no time, Amazon's homepage appears. On this page, you will find many clickable elements. This page, which you access using the website's domain name, is what we call the home page. From the home page, you can follow links to access other pages. The home page, along with the other pages accessible from it, are all referred to as web pages. A website is made up of one or more web pages. So, to create a good website, you need to design and build each of its web pages carefully and beautifully. But what makes up a web page? Or, in other words, what are the standards for a web page? The most official explanation is that a web page needs to have three core elements: structure, style, and behavior. Let's go through them one by one. First, structure is like the skeleton of a cat. But if a cat only had a skeleton, it would look quite scary, wouldn't it? That's why structure alone isn't enough. We also need style. Style is like the cat having flesh, blood, and maybe even wearing a cute outfit. But something is still missing. What's missing is behavior. Behavior is like the cat being able to move and interact with you. For example, if you call out to it, it turns its head and responds. That makes the cat feel complete. What technologies do we use to implement these elements? Well, HTML is used to build the basic structure of a website. CSS makes your website more expressive. In simpler terms, it's like dressing up your web page to make it look better. Finally, JavaScript adds interactive effects to your web page. For example, when you click a button, a pop-up window appears. That's a simple interaction. In this course, we'll be focusing on HTML and CSS. JavaScript is also very important, but we will save it for later after mastering HTML and CSS. Okay, that's it for this section. Let's move on.